scoreline of 2-0, they will go kicked,
for example. Okay, and I want you to do X, Y, Z. I think the turn you get
a former player in the Ndoro KCC.
Okay. And the principle of ethics. Be able to contact us if need be. Provisions that CAF applies in terms of match manipulating delivery on the task. So, what is entailed? Manipulating the result of the match, meaning the match will end by a scoreline of 2-0.
We've been able to talk to the teams and also the referees. And you know, integrity is very, very integral in competitive and the quality of the league. We are starting our leagues on 13th, and we want the fans back. We want to see the sponsors come. And you know, the sponsors cannot come when the credibility of the league is in question.
They play a key role during the games. They are the visible hand of the federation during the game. So when they deliver, they do a good job. Everybody is happy. The fans are happy. The clubs, they are happy because the game were very well refereed, and that had more value to the growth of the football overall.